Hello everyone, welcome to Knowledge Circle. In today's video, we'll learn about semantic error. So, what is a semantic error? First, we need to understand that. A semantic error occurs when your code is syntactically correct, but statement still makes no sense to the system. For example, let's talk about an English sentence. The notebook ate pizza. It has a subject, it has a verb, and it has an object, but it is fundamentally meaningless. Let's take a programming example. If we try to add uh, a string value to an integer variable along with an integer value, then it leads to a semantic error. Syntactically, it is okay because your assignment statement is correct. You have used arithmetic operator, but it is semantically wrong. Let's have some more examples of semantic error. Like it occurs when a statement written in a program are not meaningful to the compiler. Compiler is not able to understand. Difficult to detect because their syntax is correct but the meaning is wrong. So here we have the example. You can see that there are three variables declared here, int, abc, and the statement written is a plus b equal to c. So this statement follows the grammatical rules, but it is meaningless because the value of a and b should be stored in c. So the correct statement should be c equal to a plus b. So this is also an example of semantic error. Another example is variable which is not initialized. Use of non-initialized variable. Int I is declared and we are using here increment operator which does not have an initial value. So it will also lead to a semantic error. Let's talk about another example, type incompatibility. You can see here in an integer variable, string value is assigned. So assignment work is correct. Uh, Variable declaration is okay, but string cannot be stored in integer. So these are some examples of semantic error. Now we'll compare syntax error and semantic error, how these errors are different from each other. Either code structure is invalid or grammatically it is invalid. In semantic error, it is having valid structure but the meaning is not valid. Analogy, spelling and punctuations mistake, here using the wrong word in a sentence. Detection, it is caught immediately by compiler or interpreter. It is caught during the context analysis or execution. Prevention, the program will not run or compile. Here the program runs but behave incorrectly.